Now, it has come to light that mimicry artist and actor Kalabhavan Sobi gave wrong information on the car accident that led to the death of violinist Bala Bhaskar. The CBI's finding is that he did this to settle personal scores with some persons and to get the attention of the media. A case has been registered against Sobi for giving wrong information. Sobi had stated that he was a witness to the accident, but the CBI refuted his statement. The investigation found that Sobi passed that way a long time after the accident. Sobi dropped a bombshell alleging that he saw Sarit Pierce, an accused in the gold smuggling case, at the accident site. Forensic examination and lie detector tests revealed that this statement was untrue. The probe also clarified that Sobi's former partner, a woman, was also dragged into the incident to settle a score with her. The woman from Kodamangalam is presently in Israel. Sobi had asserted that some person had offered him 100 kilograms of gold to settle the case. He had also said that a group of people sent by the woman came to his house and threatened him, and that he had the CCTV footages of it. However, he was not able to produce the footages before the investigation officials. According to reports, there are already more than 20 cheating cases, including human trafficking against Sobi. The complaints are that he cheated many by taking money after promising them jobs abroad. Even his brother John P. Matthew had alleged that Sobi had a role in the death of Kalabhavan founder Father Abel. He had alleged that he murdered him by giving him cyanide. The CBI found no foul play in the death of Bala Bhaskar. The rash and negligent driving of violinist's driver Arjun had caused the accident. He was charged under IPC sections 279, 337, 338 and 304A for rash and negligent driving and endangering human life. DYSP Ananthakrishnan had submitted a charge sheet of 1,000 pages at the Thiruvananthapuram CJM court on Wednesday. The CBI's findings are similar to those found by the crime branch. News Desk, Kaumudy English.